LiveAgent versus Zendesk, two of the biggest names in help desk software. But which one is actually the best? If you're choosing between them, there are some key differences you need to know, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear answer. Plus, if you're looking for something even better, I'll share an alternative that outperforms both. Let's start with ease of use. LiveAgent is built for simplicity. Setting up takes minutes, and the interface is straightforward. Zendesk, on the other hand, is more powerful but has a steeper learning curve. If you're running a small business and need to be up and running quickly, LiveAgent is the easier choice. But if you're managing a complex support operation with multiple teams, Zendesk's customization might be worth the extra effort. Next is ticketing. Both offer solid ticketing systems, but Zendesk's automation is more advanced. You get AI-powered suggestions, workflow automation, and integrations with CRMs like Salesforce. LiveAgent, while functional, feels a bit more basic in comparison. However, if you want something simple without overcomplicating your workflow, LiveAgent's no-frills approach might be enough. Then there's pricing. Zendesk starts cheap, but once you add features, the costs skyrocket. It's designed for larger teams, and the more agents you have, the more you'll pay. LiveAgent, in contrast, offers an all-in-one package with more affordable pricing, especially for smaller businesses. If budget is a major factor, Zendesk can become expensive fast. The next thing is customer support. Ironically, Zendesk's own support is hit or miss. Response times can be slow, and their support reps often redirect you to knowledge-base articles. LiveAgent, being a help desk company itself, provides much better direct support with live chat and fast response times. If getting reliable customer service is important, LiveAgent has the edge. Now, let's talk integrations. Zendesk integrates with thousands of apps: Slack, Trello, Jira, Shopify, you name it. LiveAgent has integrations too, but the list isn't as extensive. If you're running a business that relies on multiple third-party tools, Zendesk wins here. Finally, scalability. If you're a small to mid-sized business, LiveAgent does the job. But if you're an enterprise-level company that needs deep analytics, AI-driven responses, and enterprise security, Zendesk is the better fit. So which one is the best? It depends on your needs. LiveAgent is better for small businesses that want something simple, fast, and affordable. Zendesk is better for larger teams needing advanced features, if you're willing to deal with the higher price and learning curve. That said, after testing all of them myself, I found an even better solution that gives you the best of both worlds: powerful features without the complexity or the high cost. If you want the best help desk software for your business, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Try it out and see the difference for yourself.